So what is your main goals that you want to achieve it in this year?
This year, I want to buy a house and I want to see one country this year.
Buy house when in America or here in
Here,
Turkey?
here.
There in
That's
Turkey.
why I'm here. I don't know if I told you, but it's one of
Yeah.
the reasons why I'm here, so I can purchase a home and then leave.
Okay. So a house or an apartment?
Yeah, a house apartment. House is
Because
like a
it's
villa? Those are,
yeah, villa. Yeah. Villa like
I am not rich.
wow, a
I
villa
have very limited funds. So,
villa in front of Floria district. Wow.
oh, that would be great. Or like was,
And like big pools has a big pools or
I would like a pool, but I'm not even thinking about stuff like that because it's like so not possible.
not possible.
Yeah, I
So
didn't think about it. I just want a
you
regular apartment, 2 bedrooms, and something that has a nice view.
you planning to make it for rent or maybe you are
Well,
live
so that
there.
I don't know yet. Like, I don't know if I'll ever, like, every time I come to Turkey, if that's where I'll stay, or if I'll rent it out, or if it's just going to be for investment purposes. I don't know
Mm.
that much yet, but because this is all the money I have. So whatever I decide to do, it has to be like, I have to like really think it through, you know? What
Yeah,
about you?
the important thing that you have that you have to like invest
Invest.
invest your money with
Yeah.
something valuable.
Yeah. It has
This
to be
is the important thing.
right.
Yeah. I already invested my money. Like I bought a house like 3 years ago,
Okay.
and I struggled to buy this house, but I have to buy the house for my family.
But is it an apartment or is it like
No,
a
it's a
villa?
bit- it's a villa, like a villa.
Oh, okay. So is it more common to live in villas where you're from? No, wait,
Yeah. It's
is it
common
more
here.
common to live in a villa?
Yeah. But I wouldn't say like a villa because villa, in my opinion, like it's a big house.
I just mean like one like house, like with a yard, like you open the door and you're outside.
Yeah. I have yard. Yeah, I have yard
Oh,
and
okay,
backyard. Yeah.
okay. Okay, so when you open the door, you're outside. Okay.
Bye bye.